welcome to Wadawurrung country.
Traditionally, when people came onto Wurundjeri country, they had to wait on the boundary of our country to be welcomed, and a messenger, which is called a wirigiri, was sent to that boundary to see what those people wanted. Then when the elders said they could come, they went through ceremony. So going through ceremony is about cleansing of spirit, cleansing your body, and so that when you sat down with the elders, you had no angst and you didn't come with any negativity or any fights or anything. And once you've been through ceremony, you're always welcome to sit at the fire.
Yukundu nayaniya baraya nayaniya mananiya mananiya mananiya. Yukundu nayaniya baraya nayaniya mananiya mananiya mananiya. Panel gadangulang, panel gadangulang. Panel gadangulang. Yukundu nayaniya baraya nayaniya mananiya mananiya mananiya. Yukundu nayaniya baraya nayaniya mananiya mananiya mananiya. Panel gadangulang, panel gadangulang. Panel gadangulang.
Twila Maniputnik! Twila Wakanaputnik! Ah! The reason we are taking the leaf is that the leaf is connected to the tree is connected to the ground. The land is the oldest living thing in the world. Therefore, it has the knowledge and the wisdom of everything.
Whenever I'm coming back onto my country, I'll sing to myself something like jingity jingity Yukumbe Jagun, which is just a hello, hello, my Yukumbe country. For us, it's just behaving in a way that's respectful.
Ya Palingana. Grandfathers, grandmothers, ancestors, we are here to honour you. Look after our visitors, please. We will be respectful. Wulika.
When I come here, I like to introduce myself to country, say hello, and let country know who I am. The best way for me to do that is to take some of the earth and mix it with my sweat, and I sprinkle it into the river to let the river know that I'm here and to introduce myself to the land. You'll have a better day if you introduce yourself to country.
Mina tanapri miladina, lumi, luta, tina, pakanangini, na mina tanapri nina too. When you come in, you've got all this different energy from the places you've been in, and this smoke is almost like an opportunity for you to reground yourself and connect here.
I'm going to ask you just to put your hands on the rock, feel the warmth of it. Let the land know that you're here. Because this rock anchors us to this country. Just let your mind empty and listen. It's not just wind blowing, it's the wind that's actually talking to you.